Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the bounce transition on CapCut Pro. And if you want to download CapCut Pro, then click the link down below, which will lead you to my video. So first, open up the app CapCut Pro, then click the plus button in the top left corner and create a film or a video, whatever you want to call it. Then you will click the next plus sign button and you will click videos. You can use more than one videos, or you can use one video and cut it into multiple clips, and I choose the latter. So double tap on the first clip and then go to the end and click the one button and click the transition button, and you're gonna roll it to the end basically again. And when you go there, you will scroll directly to the end and you will zoom in, and then you will scroll in the bar below to the squiggly line, then click that and click the in button next to the word circular. So now you're going to go to the next clip and we're going to start from the beginning and we will create a transition. So click the wand again, double tap it, click the wand, click the plus button and create a new transition. Now drag it. Since this clip is smaller, we will make the transitions much smaller, but yeah, so we're going to drag it, and now we're going to go to the beginning and we're going to zoom in and we're going to click the squiggly line and we will say out instead of in this time, and we're going to create another transition inside of this clip, but we're going to go to the end of this and we're going to click the plus button and click create your own transition. We're going to zoom in you go to the end of the bar and you will go to where it says circular, you will go to in. So basically we're doing in out in out in out until you finish whatever.
I'm sorry, but we're so liberal. I came out of the womb wearing stilettos.